I just wanted to do a little bit something different. Every once in a while I'd go down here to my uncle's shop, and he'd always wanted me to do wet sand and buffing. And I used to work for him before just to help him out and stuff like that to wet sand and buffing. So I'm gonna make a video of me doing that, and I'll throw some pictures in there just over the stuff that I've done. So y'all just stay tuned. See what happens next. Okay, so I'm in here doing this hood. I don't know if y'all can hear me or not, but what I did was it's a fiberglass hood. What I normally do is I go through and use 2,000 on wet sand, and then I go through and then I hit it with 3,000 on DA, and then I go and do the compound and polish. So I'll show you what I got so far. You sand it down, it turns it all dull, and then what I normally do is just wipe everything off, so just in case there's more dirt and stuff on it. And then I can hit it with the 3,000 on DA, and then you can go over it with on 5,000 on DA, which I'll probably do that since it's black. So I'll see you whenever I get it 3,000 with the DA, and then I'll do a little short video, and then I'll do it with 5,000 and show y'all. So stay tuned. This is what it looks like with let's see here, 3,000, and I went ahead and hit with 5,000. So, and then we're gonna do a video next on me buffing it. Here's the finished look of it. Now I went down and I used 2,000 by hand, and then I 3,000'd it with DA, and then I actually 5,000'd it with DA and used compound, and then used the polish for it. So after this, I am going to throw in some pictures of the hood, and I am going to throw in some other pictures that I've done before. So y'all be safe, stay motivated, and keep on watching.